Wow. Okay, so today I'm going to be blindfolded. Well, not today, but you know. So, I'm going to be blindfolded with this tie. My bro over there is he's going to throw sticks at me. I'm going to get to the end of there. He's going to tell me when to stop. Now stop. Oh wait, nah, no. I got no brakes. I'll just slow down. Oh, that's going to be hardcore. Hardcore parkour. Okay, let's do it. Okay, you got it on record? Wait, let me see. When it's ready. Oh shit, I can't see shit. Ah!
Why would you walk?
I actually can't see crap right now. I need to see. Aye, Captain. Right, jackass, my ass. Let's do it. What's that? Oh, what's happening? Chain thing. Wait, get on my thing. Wait, if something bad happens, don't call the ambulance, okay? One stick. Make 3 dicks.
You can see through that.
Huh?
You can see through that.
You actually go fully blinded.
Can you see through that?
No, I'm being honest. Is it on record?
Yeah. Can you see through it?
Well, I'm gonna try. Right now, I actually can't see crap. I can only see a little bit.
Do it. You can see.
I can't see really clearly. If I look ahead of me right now, I can only see below me. Right, I know the route. Yeah, no. Honest. Right, just vision the route. Let's do it. Right in the face. Do not try that at home, my dude. Oh, I hit the tree. Dude, look at my face. Oh.